Then why have you seized the vehicle?
Without notice, my lord.
Why have you seized the vehicle?
It is my security.
Correct.
And it is not.
ಈಗ now they will pay whatever is to be paid. Release the vehicle.
My lord, he has to pay the entire outstanding. That is
Not entire outstanding,
No.
sir.
In this matter, my lord, I can't restructure. The reason is, my lord, one of the guarantor already before the NCLT under section 94.
My lord,
Therefore, my
please-
lord, he can't come and, my lord, execute a fresh set of documents because of section, my lord, 96. My lord, moratorium is operating. No, my lord, in fact, I will seize the vehicle because it's a quick mortality. It is not in dispute, my lord, that account become NPA. My lord, with all the, my lord, we have seized the vehicle, and in fact, my lord, the sale, my lord, sale before this honorable court.
At the time of seizing my vehicle, it is only 12 lakhs rupees my outstanding. I mean, the overdue. After seizing my vehicles, they have included all the seizure
Where do I get that?
per vehicle.
Where do I get that?
44 page number. At the time of seizing, my lord, it was only 12 lakhs.
ಆಯ್ತು ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, how many times will repeat? Page?
44, my lord. 44, my lord. That is subsequent sale
My
notice
lord,
they have
it's not a
issued.
fair. They have to file an application before this honorable court in respect of, my lord, subsequent
ಓ
sale.
ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು? ಕೊಡಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
I'm-
They have not served any application to me, my lord.
ಸೇಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
Sale ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. In fact, my lord, kindly see the prayer sought before this honorable court as well as interim order.
Prayer is setting aside the auction
File
sales.
an application.
Auction
in
sale
respect
agi-
in
Well,
respect
it
to
become
the
infractions.
subsequent sale notice.
Where is the applications? ಕೊಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
My lord, I'll take instruction on
ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ಈಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಅಂತ.
My lord, in respect of the present writ petition, my lord, the sale is supposed to be conducted on 29/1/2025. Lord, the first time matter came up before this honorable court. Sale, that day, my lord, I mentioned before this honorable court, sale not taken place. My lord, I would have filed objection before.
ನಿಮಗೂನು you also don't know the procedure. If subsequent sale is there, should you not file an application immediately?
I would have filed an objection.
Where is it?
Due course of
What-
What due course?
I'll file an application.
You want all orders, nothing in terms of procedure. Bank will come up with all these things.
I'll file it today only, my lord. I undertake
Yes.
to file it.
Fix a date in, my lord, coming week, my lord, I'll file my objection. It is not the case, my lord.
Division bench ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಡೇಟ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್
That,
ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ.
my respectful
Yes.
submission is this.
Yes.
It is a case wherein, my lord, I have all the rest to, my lord, seize the vehicle. Already, my lord, day before the NCLT.
It was
My lord,
a
I can't, my lord,
running
restructure.
vehicle,
My
Raw
difficulty it is.
materials-
Otherwise, my lord, I would have restructured it.
Vehicle, it was seized when it was on the road when running in the.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹಾರ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತ.
My lord, if they had intimated, I would
What,
have
sir?
taken
Yes.
off the goods, my lord.
Hmm.
The goods were also in the custody of
Any
the bank.
date may be fixed. That's all, my lord.
No problem. We'll fix it.
Grateful.
Place the matter on 4th April.
Grateful.
Yes.
My lord.
I
The
just,
petitioner is
I'll make
before
only
this
one-
court.
my lord, I'll make only one submission before this honorable court.
I will reason it out now. Yes. The petitioner is before this court calling in question an auction sale notice dated 29/1/2025. The sale is of the vehicle, right?
Vehicles.
The sale is of the vehicle that is said to have been seized from the hands of the petitioner. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that the seizure of the vehicle came as a bolt from the blue to the petitioner, as no notice even was issued with regard to any default prior to the seizure effected, and would submit that it is in gross violation of the law. In that light, I deem it a gross violation of the law. The NPA in the case at hand has emerged on 12/10/2024. And the outstanding due in terms of the account statement produced is the outstanding overdue in terms of the account statement produced is 22 lakhs. 22 lakhs. Therefore, the learned counsel would submit that the action of the petition respondent in bringing the vehicle to sale is grossly arbitrary. The learned counsel for the respondent, Bank Vijignesh Shetty, also submits that one of the guarantor has knocked at the doors of the NCLT, is it?
Please, my lord.
Yes, ma'am.
NCLT and proceedings are pending there.
Section 94 of, my lord, IBC.
Interim moratorium.
And the interim moratorium is in operation. In
And
all,
outstanding, my lord, as on today, my lord, 4,69,99,562.
In respect to scheduled property, movable property.
whatever, ಈಗ vehicle ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ.
Vehicle.
So and so. In that light, in the light of all the aforesaid proceedings, I deem it appropriate to stay
But in one
the
submission-
auction sale slated to be held on 26.
26, it's not the prayer before this honorable court.
My lord,
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. The learned counsel for the respondent seeks to project an objection that the present writ petition is rendered infructuous due to the sale not taking place. During the subsistence of the petition, the bank has issued another sale notice seeking to sell the vehicles on 26/3/2025. The 2025. The submission is noted. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that on the date of seizure of the vehicles, the overdue was 12 lakhs. 6 or 7 lakhs is added by the bank in a seizure, as a seizure measure or fees for seizure of the vehicles without even issuing notice to the petitioner with regard to said seizure or the overdue amount. In the light of the aforesaid, in the light of what is aforesaid, the sale that is slated to be held on 26/3/2025 shall stand deferred till the next date of hearing.
My lord, I may permit to file objection. Fix a date, my lord. I'll serve a copy in advance. It is not the, my lord, the first time matter came up before this honorable court. Sale, that day, my lord, I mentioned before this honorable court, sale not taken place. My lord, I would have filed objection before.
Nimaguno, you also don't know the procedure. If subsequent sale is there, should you not file an application immediately?
I would have filed an objection.
Where is it?
Due course